Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 19th May 2021 in the international market. The 10-year US Treasury yields topped 165 percentage points on Tuesday morning as concerns about rising inflations remain, with focus on minutes from Federal Reserve's latest FOMC meeting. US 10-year closed at 164 and 30-year closed at 237 percentage points on Tuesday. Watch out, FOMC minutes of meeting due today. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $68.22 per barrel. Short-term range for crude still is $67 to $70 per barrel. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 89.82. Yes, you heard me right, 89.82. where DXY has breached 90 level yesterday. DXY's today's range seems to be 89.20 to 90.32. DXY is already in oversold zone, but today's FOMC minutes can decide the direction of DXY. Watch out, FOMC minutes of meeting due today. USD CNY or Chinese Yuan is at 643. USD INR with a high of 73.18, low of 72.95, closed at 73.05. The symbolic close was above 73 as FOMC minutes are due today. USD INR's range for today seems to be 72.90 to 73.30. In the domestic market, as we have repeatedly told you on the podcast, the 10-year 585 GS 2030 benchmark will be steady until Thursday's GSEF cutoffs. It seems unlikely that 585 GS 2030 will breach 595, and the traders who could not sell it to the RBI may be forced to sell in the secondary market, which can bring yields back to 6% tomorrow itself, depending on the cutoffs. 563 2026 closed at 557 versus 555 the previous trading day. 585 GS 2030 closed at 597 versus 597 the previous trading day. 18th May 2021 SDL auctions. Haryana 11-year at 684, Maharashtra 11-year at 683, Maharashtra 12-year at 687, Andhra Pradesh 15-year at 696, Telangana 20-year at 698. What do we infer from yesterday's cutoffs? SDL GSEC spreads are intact. SDL auctions are going smooth with no real panic. No green shoe options were exercised except Maharashtra. Maharashtra exercised green shoe option for 11-year, borrowing 500 crore extra. In the night research, as per the night research, 585 GS 2030 to trade between 596 to 6% for this week until GSEF cutoff results are out. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh, co-founder of Fintech. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.